Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host Eric Smith, and today I'd like to show you how to install a roof vent on your pop-up camper. For this job, we first removed an air conditioner. This gave us access to the 14x14 opening we needed to install our vent. The vent that we're going to be using has a thinner inside garnish and is best suited for pop-up campers. You can find a link in the description below. First, you want to orientate the vent so it's going to open rearwards. This is very important or your vent lid might not make it to its first camping trip. Now with a marker, mark all the mounting holes. Using a small drill bit, pilot each one of the mounting holes that you marked. Now lay strips of RV putty tape over the mounting holes. You can find an installation kit available at our web store for this job also. Remove the tape backing. Orientate the vent correctly and place it into the roof. Now we're going to trim off the excess putty tape. If your fit's not snug, use a small punch to line up your mounting holes first. Install your screws in a crossed pattern. Start at one corner, install the first screw, and then move to the opposite corner. Repeat this until every fastener has been installed to the same pressure. For the correct pressure, watch for the putty tape to slightly push out from under each area that you're working at. When some pushes out, the screws tighten enough. Your vent lid should look like this. Clean the area around the lid of any debris. With an exterior grade sealant, seal around the entire vent frame. For this job, we're using 100% silicone. Other popular choices are Dicor lap sealant and Sikaflex. Make sure that the sealant is evenly distributed for the best results. A second layer the next day is recommended for maximum weatherproofing. Place the inner garnish into the vent and install the 4 screws until all 4 are just snug. And the roof vent is installed. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to take a look at our web store, popupcamperpro.com. Here you can find our official chalk art merchandise. Take a look. Send me your camping pictures too. If you got a great camping picture, yours might end up on the chalkboard next.